Google has officially unveiled the Pixel 9a, positioning it as a strong mid-range smartphone. However, there's a trade-off. This model lacks enough RAM to fully support Google's AI features. A recent report confirms that while the Pixel 9a does include Google's Gemini Nano AI, it's a scaled-down version. Due to the phone's 8 gigabytes of RAM, it can't handle the complete AI experience that Google's more premium devices offer. You'll still be able to access AI features through the power button or a dedicated app, but the on-device processing won't be as powerful as what's available on other Pixel 9 models. Since the Pixel 8a, Google has been pushing AI-powered features using Gemini Nano, but in the Pixel 9a, the company has opted for a smaller variant called Gemini Nano 1.0 XSA. Meanwhile, other Pixel 9 models use a slightly more advanced version, Gemini Nano XS. The reason for this downgrade is simple: RAM capacity. High-end Pixel phones have 12 gigabytes of RAM, allowing them to run AI features smoothly, while the Pixel 9a with only 8 gigabytes isn't as well equipped for these tasks. Google had to make adjustments to ensure the phone performs efficiently, and that means some AI features won't be available on the Pixel 9a. This situation is similar to what happened with the Pixel 8. Initially, Google announced that the Pixel 8 would receive Gemini Nano and all. However, the company later changed its approach and introduced a developer preview of a smaller AI model for that device. That same compact version is now being used in the Pixel 9a. So how does this impact daily usage? The Pixel 9a will still have AI-driven features, but they'll work differently compared to flagship models. In higher-end Pixels, AI runs in the background continuously, ensuring quick access to features. However, the Pixel 9a AI features will only load when needed, which could result in slightly slower performance. Another significant downside is that some AI-powered tools won't be included at all. For instance, Pixel Screenshots, a feature that helps organize screenshots using AI, won't be available. Similarly, Call Notes, which can summarize conversations using on-device AI, is also missing. There's also uncertainty regarding whether the Pixel 9a will support Google's new scam detection feature in the Pixel phone app. Google has not confirmed its availability, so it remains unclear if this feature will be included. On the positive side, recorded call summaries will still be supported. This is because this feature doesn't require full AI processing. Instead, the phone transcribes the call and then generates a summary based on the text, allowing users to access this functionality without relying on the full AI model. At this stage, Google hasn't released a complete list of missing AI features for the Pixel 9a. The phone is expected to launch in April, though the company hasn't provided an exact date yet. Once the device is available, real-world tests will reveal exactly which AI features work as expected and which ones are left out. For those considering the Pixel 9a, it's important to be aware of these limitations before making a purchase. While the phone still offers some AI functionality, it won't provide the full experience that Google's premium models do. If AI capabilities are a priority, a higher-end Pixel might be a better choice. That said, the Pixel 9a will still deliver a solid user experience, especially for those who don't heavily rely on AI features. As we get closer to the official launch, more details should emerge about what this phone can and cannot do. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest tech news. Stay tuned for more insights as we get closer to the Pixel 9a's release.